The Department for Industry and Employment Relations is the main regulatory body for employment law and industrial relations in Malta. It protects the interests of parties in employment and promotes good employment practices in Malta.
The main activities of DIER are the dissemination of information, providing advice about employment rights and obligations, enforcing employment law, and facilitating industry relations. This year, DIER has launched 2 free phones to assist employers and employees with any queries they have in relation to employment law. The free phone for employees is 1575, while that of employers is 1576. The main function of the DIER is of assisting employees who have not been paid wages, statutory bonuses, vacation leave, and any other type of leave according to the applicable regulations. An employee may open a case with the department, and if the case is not solved, this can also lead to criminal proceedings against the employer. An employee may also lodge a claim on an anonymous basis, and this is treated with high confidentiality. Some examples of alleged breaches of employment law include incorrect pay below the rate stipulated in the employment contract or also below the minimum wage, incorrect pay of statutory bonuses, the absence of pay slips and employment contract, matters in relation to vacation leave, sick leave, injury leave, or maternity leave, and also matters in relation to equal pay for work of equal value. Any person can approach the department, so this means that employees representatives and unions, employers and also employers associations. An employee may lodge a complaint both if he or she is in a full-time employment or a part-time employment, and also if he is still employed or is no longer employed with the company. If the employee is no longer employed, it is important to know that the department has 1-year prescription, which means that the department has 1 year from the date of termination to conclude the case, either solve it or otherwise proceed with legal action against the employer.
Other services of the department include the issuing of fines permits, the issuing of banking of hours permits, the provision of a conciliatory platform, coordination process for verification processes, registrar of trade union, registration of employment agencies, and Malta main focal point at the European Union, European Labour Authority, International Labour Organization, and Eurofound.
In order for a person to open a claim with the department, there are a number of documents which are required, and these include contract of employment, pay slips, copies of checks or bank transfers that serve as proof of payment, information and contact details of the employer, information in relation to the place of work, correspondence with the employer, timesheets or any notes kept by the employee in relation to the hours worked, and also the employment history, which can be downloaded from the Jobs Plus. When lodging an anonymous complaint to the department, it is important to gather as much evidence as possible, and also to provide the department with the accurate information, such as the name and contact details of the employer, and also the site where the work is being carried out or was being carried out. The accurate information helps in providing better evidence in relation to the case.
Anyone who would like to contact us can do this between Monday and Friday, between 8 and 4. And for employees, one can use the free phone of 1575. For employers, one can use the free phone of 1576. Anyone who would like to communicate via email can do this via info.dier@gov.mt.